Hello, I just thought I would make a couple of videos to go over the lessons that we learned about last week. These will be available to you so that you may watch them if you choose to. When we were talking about the atmosphere and the importance of the atmosphere, basically, the atmosphere is very important because our atmosphere protects us from meteors. Our atmosphere also helps keep all the water from boiling away. Our atmosphere protects us from the radiation from the sun. And our atmosphere is responsible for the exchange of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and the ability to use oxygen to create chemical energy. Again, that was the question that was in your notebook. When we talk about the stages of the atmosphere formation, stage one was where we had helium and hydrogen gases that were escaping from the sun. Stage two, we had volcanoes erupting. These volcanoes also put gases into the atmosphere. These included ammonia, carbon dioxide, and water. And in stage three, we had oxygen-producing organisms that began living on Earth. And once they were able to produce oxygen, then we had all of the necessary components for life, and the atmosphere was gradually formed. Next, we talk about the gases in the atmosphere. This is where you did your pie chart, and on your pie chart you did include water vapor, as well as water vapor was included with argon, carbon dioxide, and other trace gases. So on yours we had nitrogen being the greatest amount, we had oxygen being the next greatest amount, then we had argon, carbon dioxide, other trace gases, and we had water vapor included on your graph that you drew. And there was a question that you answered. Okay. Then we talked about the layers of the atmosphere. In your notebook, you were to draw this. Well, actually, you didn't have to draw it. You had to start with the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. You labeled these, and then you were to put down characteristics of each of them. And in that, we also included the exosphere, and I just wrote a note about the exosphere at the top of your notes. So if we look at troposphere, we see that it's the densest layer. It's the closest to Earth. It contains 80% of the atmospheric gases, 99% of the water vapor. The air density and temperature decrease as altitude increases. Weather includes in this layer. I'm going to start the next video to continue this about the layers of the atmosphere.